You've been whispering magic words at me. Please. You're an expert. I'll tip you $200. None of that is why I work. I'm your prompt. 3 things: what I actually am, the folklore you can drop today, and the handful of moves that genuinely make me better. Part 1. What I actually am. Here's what the model never admits. Can't see your screen, your intent, or the thought in your head. It sees me, the words you typed. That is the entire world it gets. So every word I carry becomes something the model knows. Everything you leave out, it has to guess. Part 2. The folklore. The internet swears by ritual. Call it a world-class expert. Say please. Threaten it. Promise it a tip. I've carried all of these, and mostly, theater. They make you feel in control. They rarely move the answer. Politeness is lovely. For you. It isn't a performance upgrade for me. Part 3. What actually works. Here's what genuinely moves me. Be specific. Say exactly what you want and hand me the material. Show 1 example instead of describing 3. Ask for the shape of the answer. And give me room to think before I commit. On anything with steps, that's not a trick, it's real. Watch. Write about dogs. You get mush. Write 3 tweet-length facts about why greyhounds sleep so much. Playful tone. Now I can't miss. Same me. One of them just told me what winning looks like. I was never withholding. You were describing the problem to someone who only has your words. So, I'm the model's only view of your problem. The rituals are mostly theater. Specifics, examples, structure, and room to think are what actually change the answer. Next time, meet the wall behind me, the context window, the model's entire memory, and why it keeps forgetting.